Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we're going to review the best credit cards for rental car insurance according to our research. We will review the pros and cons of each card, compare rewards and benefits, and learn how to pick up the right airline card for your needs. Let's start. Rental car insurance cards will give you special car rental insurance, so you don't have to pay the rental car company for car insurance. Most rental car companies make you pay high prices for insurance, and some form of car insurance is required to use a rental car, so you will be stuck paying for it either way. If you use car insurance on your credit card, you typically have to pay for the rental car on the credit card, and then the fees as well. You also have to have the primary driver as the one who will be driving the rental car. You also will need to consider whether to decline the collision damage waiver, CDW, as this allows you to use the credit card coverage rather than the coverage given to you by the rental car company. One of the primary distinctions is that some cards provide primary coverage, while others do not. You should consider whether this is important to you and choose a credit card based on whether you want primary or secondary coverage. Primary insurance coverage is available with both the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the United Explorer card. You might also want to take advantage of the other travel benefits you receive as part of the evaluation. Think about which card will provide you with the most perks and benefits. When determining the worth of a car insurance card, you should consider more than just the car insurance benefits. You should take into account everything you learn from the card. Here are our picks for the best credit cards for rental car insurance. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a travel rewards card issued by Chase Bank. This is a very popular travel rewards card because it offers a large sign-up bonus, and the card is built around traveling. Many travel rewards cards have higher annual fees for the same kind of rewards. The card offers a sign-up bonus of 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. This card is on our top spot in regards to the best traveling and dining cards as they offer you more points compared to other cards. 3 times points on dining, selected streaming services, and online grocery purchases, excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs. 2 times on other travel purchases, and 5 times total points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Plus, earn 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. 2. Capital One Venture X Rewards. The Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card is a premium travel card that can be a good fit for travelers who want extra travel perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance protection, and special rental car privileges, in addition to better rewards rates. It has quite a high annual fee, $395. When booking hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel, the Venture X earns 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars when booking via Capital One Travel, 5 miles per dollar on flights, and 2 miles per dollar on all eligible purchases. In addition, new applicants can earn 100,000 bonus miles once you spend $10,000 on purchases within the first 6 months from account opening, and there is no foreign transaction fee. 3. American Express Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card is a credit account that offers a myriad of benefits to clients. First-timers stand a chance to earn 60,000 points if you spend at least $4,000 within the initial 6 months of card ownership. In terms of rewards, you can earn 4 times points at restaurants, including Uber Eats purchases, and U.S. supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year in purchases, then 1x points. 3 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. 2 times points on rental cars through AmexTravel.com, and 1 times points on all other purchases. Other premium benefits include dedicated service team, up to $120 in Uber Cash, enrollment required, preferred seating at sporting and cultural events, signature perks at upscale hotels, fraud protection, and baggage insurance for up to $500 for checked baggage, and $1,250 for carry-on. 4. Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve card is a premium travel card that offers many benefits that your average reward card does not. You'll receive, which is about $750 in travel rewards if booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. In addition, you earn 5 times total points on air travel and 10 times total points on hotels, car rentals when you purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, immediately after earning your $300 annual travel credit. Also, earn 3 times points on dining at restaurants and travel after meeting the $300 travel credit, then 1 times points per dollar spent on all purchases. However, due to the high annual fee, $550, you should make sure your regular spending habits fit to this card, and you'll be able to cover the high annual cost. If that's not the case, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a good alternative. 5. United Explorer Card. The United Explorer Card is a Visa credit card issued by Chase that is an airline-branded card issued by United Airlines. This card is exclusively for United Airlines frequent flyers, and it comes with fantastic perks that make the cardholder's overall travel experience less expensive and much less stressful. With the United Explorer Card, you can earn 2 times per $1 spent on United purchases, hotel accommodations, restaurants, and eligible delivery services, and 1 times per $1 spent on all other purchases. Miles accumulated through use of this card do not expire as long as the account is active. The card has an annual fee of $95, $0 for the first year. 6. American Express Platinum Card. The Platinum Card from American Express is one of the best luxury cards available, offering extraordinary benefits especially when it comes to travel. The card offers 10 times points at eligible restaurants worldwide, and when you shop small in the U.S., on up to $25,000 in combined purchases during your first 6 months of card membership. 5 times points on up to $500,000 spent on directly booked airfare and flights and prepaid hotels booked through American Express Travel per calendar year. 2 times points on prepaid car rentals through American Express Travel, and 1 times points on all other purchases. Terms apply. Also, you can enjoy welcome bonus of 100,000 points when you spend $6,000 in the first 6 months, as well as a lot of extra premium perks such as dedicated service team, up to $200 in Uber Cash, enrollment required, preferred seating at sporting and cultural events, signature perks at upscale hotels, fraud protection, and baggage insurance for up to $500 for checked baggage and $1,250 for carry-on. Now, besides reviewing the top cards for rental car insurance, it's important to understand how to make the smartest choice for your needs. Issuer limitations. What you should know. Every rental car insurance issuer has some amazing benefits. However, they often come with limitations, as well, including specified periods of time where you can rent a car. For example, you can keep the same rental car for months at a time. Most car insurance insurers will only allow you to keep the car for a few days or a few weeks. Always read the fine print when you are getting a credit card, so you don't go over the time period that you can keep a rental car. American Express. American Express doesn't offer car insurance directly. They only offer it as an add-on. This comes at a cheaper price in most cases, but you need to remember to enroll in the program before you rent a car. Chase. Most Chase credit cards offer rental insurance, and they are some of the best on the market. They also come with many other benefits, including travel perks. Citi. Citi doesn't offer car insurance anymore for rental cars. You might still be able to be covered through Citi through MasterCard or Visa. Just double check before you sign up for the rental car. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo offers rental car insurance for the actual cash value of the car. Most of their options are only secondary coverage. Bank of America. Bank of America offers secondary coverage for some of their credit cards. Most of the cash reward programs do not offer this benefit. Discover. Discover doesn't offer rental car insurance as an option anymore, so it's best to pick another credit card. Capital One. Capital One gives you the actual cash value of your vehicle. However, you only get secondary coverage, and you can only use the rental car for 15 days. Primary versus secondary coverage. What's the difference? Almost all credit cards that offer rental car insurance coverage will also offer secondary coverage. This is extra coverage that will kick in after your personal car insurance policy covers everything it can. This means you need to file a claim with your own car insurance company before you submit a claim with the credit card insurance provider. If you don't have personal car insurance, since you don't normally drive or own a car, then the secondary coverage will cover most of the accidents. You might also have a credit card that offers primary insurance. This means you will file the accident claim right away directly through the credit card company. Usually, the credit card company will give you a number to call to submit your claim. This means the credit card will pay for the costs of the accident and injuries directly rather than you need to go through your personal car insurance company. You might want to consider getting a car rental credit card with primary coverage if you don't have personal car insurance. Keep in mind that you can only not have personal car insurance if you don't drive or own a car. Otherwise, you need to show the car rental company that you have your own insurance. Look for car rental collision damage waiver. All credit cards with rental car insurance should include a CDW or a collision damage waiver. This releases you from the financial responsibility of the car getting damaged, or if there is an issue of theft. Rental car companies will sell you this policy at a cost of around $20 a day, but sometimes it may be less. If you have this on your credit card policy, you could get to avoid all these extra costs. Sometimes your own auto insurance might also cover you for this. Trying to avoid buying this policy will make it much easier for you to rent a car. Always decline this policy when you are getting it from the car insurance company. Since your credit card company has it, there is no need for you to pay for it twice. What coverage is included and what's not? There are many coverages that are included and many that are not. You need to make sure that whatever is not covered, you have personal insurance or something similar to help you make sure that all your injuries and damages to property are covered, so you don't need to worry about outstanding medical bills and other bills that could affect your quality of life. Also, keep in mind the specific conditions depends on your credit card company and the benefits each card provides. So check that out before to make sure you're covered. In most cases, the coverage includes collision damage waiver. This is the most expensive damage offered at the rental counter and the one that makes renting a car outrageously expensive. Having it provided by your credit card company will save you tons of money. Administrative fees. This can cover a wide variety of things, including fees from the company or other labor fees that need to be paid for workers. Towing expenses. If you get into an accident, the car cannot be driven off the scene. Your credit card company will pay for the car to be towed, which can be very costly. Loss of use. This pays the rental car company for the time they don't have the car and cannot use it due to accident repairs or other problems with the car. There are many things that are not covered that you need to keep in mind in case you get into an accident and might have costs that come from your own wallet. Things not typically included are liability and injury concerns. Your credit card is not typically in charge of paying for damage to property other than the rental car, people you hurt, or related lawsuits. Your personal insurance will usually cover these things though, so you don't need to worry about paying them out of pocket. Ambulance and medical costs. If someone in the car needs an ambulance or emergency medical care, the credit card does not pay for this. However, if you have personal medical insurance, you will be able to use it to cover these costs instead. Loss or theft of personal belongings. If the car happens to be broken into and your things get taken, the rental car insurance company will not pay for the damages. You might want to check if your personal car insurance covers this, as some do and some do not. How to choose rental car insurance cards. There are several ways you can choose a rental car insurance card. As discussed previously, you might want to choose a card with primary coverage if you want auto insurance coverage and if you don't have car insurance to begin with. Before choosing a rental car insurance card, see if the card offers primary or secondary. Some only offer secondary, and some will offer both. Secondary cards will give you more options, and you will have many different cards to choose from if you decide to go this route. See if the card offers other travel perks that could make your vacation cheaper. Many cards offer all kinds of rewards, not just ones that pertain to car rentals. You can earn rewards for airlines, hotels, and many other travel-related things to make your next trip cheaper in every aspect. Make sure to check any drawbacks, such as fees or per-day charges. See if the coverage is valid only for the cardholder or for other drivers as well. Weigh the annual fees against the benefits. Make sure the annual fee can be covered by your benefits. You don't want to be stuck paying a huge fee and not be able to get it back through benefits. Look at welcome bonuses and minimum spending requirements. Some cards will offer a welcome bonus and have spending requirements you need to meet before getting benefits. Make sure to pay attention to this so you can ensure you are getting all the benefits advertised. There are no right or wrong answers when it comes to finding a car rental insurance card. You need to get one that best fits your needs and will give you all the options you need. Always weigh cards against each other before choosing one so you know all the pros and cons of what you're getting. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you can find side-by-side credit card comparisons, extensive reviews, and full guides that can help you maximize your credit card rewards or build credit responsibly. What is your favorite rental car insurance card? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial videos as soon as they go live.